Welcome to ifind.ae. Today we will guide you about creating an account on ifind.ae. From the upper main menu tab, select Add New Listings and select Add New Place. As you need to be registered on ifind.ae before enlisting anything, so select the option Register. Fill this form with all the details like your name, email address, and a password you want to use, and check the following two boxes. Although if you wish to read our GDPR policy and terms and conditions, you can click on the blue colored text. Also check the reCAPTCHA. Click Create Account. You will see this message that an email has been sent to your registered email address. Check your inbox or spam folder and click the link. Once activated, you will get this interface as a registered user, where you can see your listings and various other options. For more information, please visit our website. Thank you.